Hanson, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to just take a look at washing a set of bay windows, just a regular residential. Nothing special, just gives you a chance to look at somebody else's technique and kind of compare it to your own and see what you're doing, see how other people do things, and kind of just, that's pretty much all it is today. We all wash windows every day. We all do things a little bit differently. I think for guys that work solo, they never get to see actually how other guys are working, you know, how they're doing things. And I think it's just good to get an opportunity to see other guys work and what they're doing, see if you can pick something up or make you feel that much better about what you do because somebody else sucks. Whatever it might be, whatever your reason is, that's good. I'm just trying to put just another video out there, just of something. So what I'm doing is just kind of washing all the insides here. I went through all of these, so I got 5 different windows here. The 2 middle and the number 2. I went through first, washed everything. Now I'm going to come through and do all my detailing. So I like to do things in stages. So I'm doing all of something at once, rather than squeegeeing this window, then detailing this window. Squeegee this window, detail. I like to just, assembly line is what I usually call it. Just take care of one thing at a time, but do it on all of them. I just see it as being a little more efficient. It's less back and forth with your tools, putting them back in, taking them out, whatnot. That's just the way I see it. And I mean, it's the only way. Like everything we do, we all do things so differently. So after I detailed all this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a look at the wall, make sure I didn't drip on the wall, didn't drip on the carpet. We usually don't use drop cloths because we're able to contain everything, so we don't need to. But at the same time, our new guys will. And one thing I do have to do now is go back. Since the guy on the outside watched this, I do need to reopen this, relatch the screen, wipe the sill one more time, and I'll do the same thing. So when I walk up to this window set, since there's a guy on the outside, I have to unlatch the screen for him. He pulls it off, returns it. Once he's done cleaning, I'll relatch that screen. Here's a quick look at just an everyday job. It's out here on Window Warriors Forum.